Take a deep breath. Find your center. My dear friends, today we will talk about a habit that can either improve our lives or ruin them, and that is anger. That is anger. Feeling angry is a natural part of being human, but true bravery is not about reacting to others in anger. True bravery is having control over our emotions and our words. A single moment of anger can make us say things that we may regret for the rest of our lives. Regret for our lives. Allow the heat of the moment to pass. We are more than our immediate reactions. We are the builders of our own peace. In the space between a feeling and a response, we find our freedom. Find our freedom. Remember, patience and tolerance are qualities that elevate a person's character. The person who controls their anger, even in difficult situations, not only protects their relationships, but also earns respect in the hearts of others. To become successful and honorable in life, it is important to choose wisdom, kindness, and forgiveness instead of anger. Choose wisdom. Whenever you feel angry, pause for a moment, think carefully, and choose your words wisely. Every calm word spoken is a victory over the storm that tries to rise within. Think of the peace that follows a bridge built instead of a wall constructed. Strength is not found in the volume of a shout, but in the steady resolve of a calm heart. When you choose to forgive, you are not being weak. You are showing the ultimate form of power over yourself. It is a discipline that requires a noble soul. In the end, I would like to say that conquering your anger is a much greater achievement than defeating others. Thank you. Thank you.